Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and today's hot dog day. I know the joke gets old after a while. Anyway, why am I saying hot dog day? It's not really hot dog day. It's not really hamburger day. It is ketchup day. And when I say ketchup, I don't mean ketchup and mustard, but it's a funny joke. Anyway, today is the day, the 25th of each month, where we release items on our website that you might have seen from us already. You might have it already. And it's just catch-up day because it's some items that maybe are extras from kits and we're able to put together some, or maybe it's dies I took on HSN back in the day, or maybe it's dies I released with Sizzix back in the day. It just means check your stash before you buy. That's kind of what it means. Anyway, I have some fun things to share, including an online class. Just saying. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Number one, this was originally released in a kit club about 2 years ago. And so now we're able to bring it to the website, those of you that missed it. It is an A1 small scallop die. The cool thing about it is it has the words take care. It has a couple little pumpkins and a couple little leaves. It has this awesome background die, has scallops all the way around. The background die is optional, A1 in size. So if you weren't in the kit club at this time, now is your chance to get in on this one. Next, we're releasing 2 die sets that came in one of the kits back in the day. This one says so kind, and this one says you are the best. So go check out the website for those. Now, remember I said online class? So every once in a while, Ken will clean the warehouse, right? And you know, there's just boxes everywhere. Those of you that have gone to our warehouse in the past for a demo or something, I think the last one we did was 4 years ago, the day after the boys were born, but there's boxes everywhere. They're all labeled, but when they're that far up in the sky, you really can't see them. Ken was able to put together some more of the Fern online class. What does that mean? That means if you did not get it before when it came out, you can get it now for a limited time, because once these kits are gone, they're gone. You can get it for a limited time and you get to watch the class. Now it's already been recorded, so you get to watch the recorded version, but you still get to pause it and start it, pause it and start it. And guess what? The best part is you get to watch it as many times as you want. Right? Cool. It's like me and you hanging out together, making some cards. This is what you're going to get in the kit. You are going to get this amazingly gorgeous Fern stamp set. Look at how beautifully intricate that is. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that cute little 3 butterflies. So beautiful. You're also getting all of these dies to go with this stamp set, right? You're also getting a different size Fern fold-it card. What? I know, it's crazy. And the word sincerely. And you're getting some diamonds. Look at how pretty that is. Now, there are other items that you'll want to have in your hands when you do the class. There is a supply list on there, but chances are you already have all of them, or you can substitute something else. So go to our website. Once this is gone, it's gone forever. Luckily, Ken was able to put a couple more together. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? Make sure you sign up for our next online class because they are so much fun. I have samples from our online class. Now, these are not necessarily what we made in the class. These are items my design team made, and I'm sharing them with you. So here is the Fern Fold-It. Oh, and it's taped for photography. There we go. There is that gorgeous Fern Fold-It. I love it. Here's another version. Sincerely beautiful. Ooh, here's one making it like extra layers. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, here's another pretty one. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Here's another one. You guys, see, seriously, I think this might be from the class. That one might be from the class. Look how fun that is. Let's see. Ooh, here's another one. You guys, if you do not have this one, and if you do, a lot of you already have it, go get it out and play with it again. Go get it out and play with it again, because look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. You need to go to our website. You get the class as well, which is really awesome, right? Because then you get to do it as many times as you want. Here it is again. Those of you that already bought it, go watch it again. You learn some more fun you'll be reminded of some techniques, right? Look how gorgeous those are. All from our design team. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and you know what? I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.